in this class we discuss about the cash discount, trade discount. Okay, so what is the meaning of this cash discount and trade discount? Okay, generally discount means what? Such type of an loss to the business or any firm. Suppose if any one of you go to the shopping at the 50% discount or 20% discount, so suppose any stock will be there, remaining stock left of the stock is there, or else that goods are unsold in the market, so then that time it will keep and a discount to that products. Okay, so generally what is the meaning of the cash discount? Cash discount, cash discount is given by the vendor at the time of making the payment. Okay, cash discount means what? So this cash discount will be given by the vendor at the time of making the payments. Okay, suppose see here, for example, the supplier may say that if payment is made within 1 month, okay, a discount of 2% will be allowed. Okay, suppose here two persons will be there, A, B, two persons will be there. A give some amount of money to B, say suppose 100 rupees. Okay, so what A says that, suppose you have to pay this 100 rupees within 1 month, I will give 2% discount to you. Okay, I will give 2% discount to you. Suppose B wants to pay within a 1 month, then how much B wants to pay? So A gives 2% discount to na. So 2% means what? How to calculate this 2%? Percent means what? 1 by 100. 2% means what? 2 by 100. So that is 100 into 2 by 100. How much is 2 rupees? Okay, so you deduct that 2 rupees because it is discount na. So when the B wants to repay this amount within a period of 1 month, B only pay 98 rupees. Okay, so this is an discount. So it means that a debt of 100 rupees can be discharged by paying only rupees 98 before the end of the month. Okay, got it? A give some amount to B, 100 rupees. A says that suppose you want to pay this 100 rupees within a period of 1 month, I will give 2% discount to you. Okay, at the end of the month, B wants to repay that amount. Suppose A gives 2% now. So B deduct that 2%. What is the remaining amount is there? That amount is paid to the A. So 2% now. So that is 2 rupees. 100 minus 2 rupees is 98 rupees is paid to A. Thus, this cash discount is allowed by the trader to his debtor. Okay, so in this, who is a trader? A is a trader, B is a debtor. Na. So the cash discount is allowed by the trader to his debtor. So how much is a loss to A? 2 rupees. Na. Is a loss to him. So this 2 rupees is known as a discount allowed. Okay, see here, the cash discount is allowed by the trader to his debtor is a loss to him. Whose loss? A loss, how much is rupees? 2 rupees. So this is known as this discount allowed. Okay, thus discount allowed is recorded on the debit side of the cash book. Whereas cash discount received na, allowed, discount allowed means a loss to him. Discount received means what? Gain. Okay, whereas cash discount received by him from his creditor, not a debtor. So that cash discount received by him from his debtor is a gain, is known as a discount received. So that discount received is recorded on the credit side of the cash book. So this cash discount should not be confused with the trade discount. Okay. Trade discount means what? Trade discount means what? Trade discount means, so this trade discount is an allowances made by the manufacturer or wholesaler to the retailer of the catalog price of goods sold. Okay, so this discount is allowed by wholesaler to the retailer or manufacturers to the retailer for the price of the goods sold. So it is granted to old or regular customers. Okay, this trade discount is old or regular customer. Suppose in case of bulk sales or a custom of trade, it will be applicable. The main idea behind this providing this trade discount is to enable the retail trader to sell off goods at a catalog price by keeping some margin to meet his business expenses and profits. Okay, so this trade discount is deducted from the catalog price and the balance is recorded in the books of the accounts. Suppose I am a manufacturer. Okay, so after manufacturing the products, after manufacturing the goods, it will be sold to the customer. Suppose one customer is regular to me. Okay, at the end of the 1 month, then that customer will come to our shop and it will I will sell goods to that customer. So it is an old customer, knowing person. Then that time what I said that okay, you are a regular customer na, you have to purchase bulk goods from our business or from our manufacturing company na, so that's why I will give 20% discount to you. Okay, that is known as a trade discount. Okay, so write down this meaning of this cash discount and trade discount. Cash discount is an allowance made by the receiver of cash to the person, made by the receiver of cash to the person paying it. This is a cash discount. Trade discount is an allowance given by the wholesaler, to the retailer. So this cash discount is occurs at the time of settlement, when the cash is received or paid. In that time it will be settlement. And this trade discount is when it occurs. Trade discount occurs at the time of sale or purchase. Okay, so this trade discount, it occurs at the time of sale or purchase. It occurs at the time of sale or purchase. Now see, suppose I'll tell one example. Purchased goods from Satish having a list price of 10,000 at a trade discount of 10% and 2% cash discount, cash paid immediately. Okay, see one example about this cash discount and trade discount is purchased goods from Satish having a list price of rupees 10,000 at a trade discount of 10%. How much is trade discount is 10% and 2% cash discount, 2% cash discount and cash paid immediately. Okay, cash paid immediately. See, generally, what is the entry for purchased goods from Satish? Cash, in cash. Okay, what is the entry? Purchased goods from Satish for the amount of rupees 10,000 in cash. Generally, entry is what? Purchases account data to cash account. Na? But in this extra, what he mentioned, trade discount is 10% and cash discount is 2%. Okay, so remember here, whenever you see like this, first in that problem mentioned trade discount and cash discount, first you have to calculate the cash discount, after that you do the trade discount. Suppose in that problem cash discount is not given, only trade discount is given, then directly you have to calculate the trade discount. But in any cases these two discounts will be mentioned, then that time first you have to calculate the cash discount, after that you have to calculate this trade discount. Okay, so and generally this cash discount is not shown in the books of accounts. Okay, cash discount is not shown in the books of accounts, directly it will be calculated how much amount is remaining, then that time we have to calculate this trade discount. Okay, wait for 1 minute, I'll clarify once relating to this trade discount and cash discount. Okay, see here, trade discount is an allowances, it will be given by the wholesaler to the retailer, so it occurs at the time of sale or purchases. Now, so it is purchases. Now actually amount of the listing price is 10,000, so this trade discount is deducted from the catalog price in the invoices. So how much is the list price? 10,000, so that first deducted from this trade discount from this catalog price. Okay, now see here, list price is 10,000. How much is trade discount is 10%. Trade discount will be calculated on the list prices. Now Trade discount is 10%. Calculate on this list price is 10,000 into 10%. 10% means 10 by 100 is 1000 rupees is the trade discount. Okay. So how much is the actual price? Deduct this list price minus trade discount is 10,000 minus 1000 is 9,000 is the purchases price. Okay, how much is 9,000 is the purchases price. Got it? This trade discount will be calculated on the list prices or the actual prices. So how much is the price will be given? 10,000, but trade discount will be given to that person. How much is 10%? So 10,000 minus 10%, how much is the remaining balance is 9,000. This 9,000 is the purchases price. Under this 2% is the cash discount. So how to calculate this cash discount? Cash discount will be calculated on the purchases prices. How much is cash discount is 2%. This 2% is calculated on the 9,000. That is 9,000 into 2% means what? 2 by 100. How much is 180 is a cash discount. Okay, then total is how much amount is 9,000. 9,000 minus, you deduct that cash discount, then what is the remaining amount? 9,000 minus 180 is 8,820 is a cash paid to Satish for purchasing goods. Okay, now see the entries. Purchases account data are 9,000 to cash account is 8,820 and to discount. Discount is how much? 180. Okay, this is the entry for the above transaction. Okay, don't confusing whether these two mentioned in the problem. First you calculate the trade discount, deduct the trade discount, and how much is the remaining balance is there. On that balance you have to calculate the cash discount. Okay, this is the problem. Next is, next see the next transaction. It is relating to purchases now. Next see the sales. Sold goods to Sohan. Sold goods to Sohan having list price of rupees 15,000. Okay, sold goods to Sohan having list price of 15,000 at a trade discount of 10%. Cash discount cash discount 5%. Cash received immediately. Okay, cash received immediately. So now first step is what? First we calculate the trade discount of 10%. So that is 15,000 minus 1,500. How much? 13,500. After 13,500 you calculate 5% now. So that is list price is 15,000. Trade discount is 10% now. So 10%, that is 15,000 into 10 by 100. How much is 1,500 is a trade discount. You have to deduct from the list price. So that is 15,000 minus 1,500 is 13,500 is a sales value. Okay, 13,500 is a sales value. So on this 13,500 we calculate the cash discount. How much is the percentage of cash discount? Is 5% now. So that cash discount is 5% on 13,500. Okay, so that is 13,500 into 5% means 5 by 100. So for 5 is a 15, 17, 5, 675 is the cash discount. Okay, so now tell me the entry for this. For selling the goods, what you have to receive? You have to receive cash. How much cash is receiving? Is it 13,500 or 12,825? 12,825. What about 675? 675 is a cash discount. So that is deducted from this price now. So for this entry is cash account data are, how much is 13,500 minus 675 is 12,825. Discount account data are 675 to sales account is total is how much? 13,500. Got it? Trade discount, cash discount. First you have to calculate the trade discount. Deduct the trade discount amount. What is the remaining amount is there? That amount is actually purchases prices or sales prices. So on this amount you have to deduct the cash discount. Okay. Now see the problem. See the 12th problem. Journalize the following transactions. Journalize the following transaction. Purchased goods from Sharma having listed price of 20,000. Trade discount allowed is 10%. Okay, so only in this problem only he mentioned only trade discount. How much is 10%? So 10% on 20,000 means what? 2,000. So that purchases account data to cash account, how much is rupees is 18,000, 18,000. Next, sold goods to Verma having invoice price of 40,000. Allow trade discount. Next is sold goods to Verma having invoice price of 40,000. Allow trade discount, same as. Next is purchased goods from Desai worth rupees 20,000. Okay, trade discount is 10% and cash discount is 5%. So that cash paid immediately. So observe here, see that first transaction on that third transaction. So in this purchase your goods from Sharma having listed price, so here cash paid immediately is not mentioned. So then that time it is what, it is an a credit transaction. What we have to write, we have to write purchases account data to Sharma account. But in this date or in this transaction, purchased goods from Desai worth rupees 20,000 and trade discount is 10%, cash discount is 5%. Cash paid immediately. So it is a cash transaction. So what we have to write the entry is purchases account data before entry. Purchases account data to cash account to discount account. Next is purchased goods from Dinesh worth rupees 50,000. 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount, half of the amount paid to him immediately. Okay, half of the amount is 50% is paid immediately. What about that 50% is an a credit. So for that entry is what, purchases account data to cash account to discount account to Dinesh account. Why we have to write Dinesh under this credit side? Because 50% amount is not paying now. So that's why we have to write Dinesh account on the credit side. Next is sold goods to Anup worth rupees 40,000, allowed him 10% rate discount and 5% cash discount. He paid cash immediately. Okay, like this same entry. Next is sold goods to Rajesh worth rupees 60,000, 10% rate discount and 5% cash discount. Half of the amount received immediately and remaining half of the amount is not received, that will be received in the future. Next is purchased goods for cash, VAT paid 10%. VAT means what? Value added tax. Okay, under that tax paid 10%. That is one type of a discount. Next is sold goods for cash rupees 20,000 and that VAT charges 10% and cartage charges to customers is 500. Okay, I will explain while writing the entry. Next is goods destroyed by fire 10,000. Okay, goods destroyed by fire, automatically we will get the loss now for destroying that goods. So for that goods some insurance will be there. Okay, then that time all the goods are destroyed by fire. If the goods are uninsured or insured, the insurance company admitted the claim in full or insurance company admitted the claim to the extent of 6,000. Okay, this is also explained while writing the journal entry. Okay, now see the journal entry, sir. particulars, LF number, debit amount, credit amount. Okay, so what is first transaction? Purchased goods from Sharma having listed price of 20,000, trade discount allowed is 10%. So generally what is the entry for this? Trade discount is not shown in the books of accounts, only we show the cash discount. Okay, remember that. Trade discount we did not show in the books of accounts, only we show the cash discount. So for that entry is what, it is a credit transaction now. So purchases account debtor to Sharma account. So 10% is discount. So calculate that 20,000 minus 10% of 20,000. Generally 20,000 minus 2,000 is 18,000 is the amount of purchases. 18,000. Okay, narration is being goods purchased list price of 20,000 less trade discount. How much is trade discount is 2,000. Total is 18,000. Next is sold goods to Varma having invoice price of 40,000, allowed him discount of rupees 10%. 10% is discount. Entry is what? Sold goods to Varma. Credit transaction. Here who is the receiver? The receiving of that goods is Varma. Okay, Varma account debtor. Varma account debtor to sales account. Okay, Varma account debtor to sales account. How much is that? Discount is 10% now. So 40% into 10% means what? 4,000. So that is 4,000 minus 40,000 minus 4,000 is how much? 36,000. Being goods sold including trade discount. Trade discount is 10%. Next is purchased goods from Desai worth rupees 20,000. Trade discount is 10%, cash discount is 5%, and cash paid immediately. So entry is what? Cash paid immediately now. Purchases account data are 2 cash paid immediately na, 2 cash account and cash discount is there na. So to discount account. See now, trade discount is how much is percentage? 10 percentage. Okay, so here calculation, see here, 20,000 minus trade discount is how much? 10 percentage. 10 percentage means what? 20,000 into 10% means 20,000 into 10 by 100 is 2,000. This 2,000 is what? Trade discount. After deducting the trade discount, how much is the balance is left? 18,000 is the purchases price. Okay, 18,000 is the purchase price. So under this, cash discount is it. How much is cash discount? 5%. So that is 18,000 into 5%. 5% means 5 by 100 now. 5 by 100 is 18,000 into 5 divided by 100 is 900 is the cash discount. Okay, this 900 is cash discount. How much is remaining after deducting this discount? 18,000 minus 900 is 17,100. Got it? Purchases account data are 18,000, to cash account 17,100, to discount account is 100. Being goods purchased, right, including trade discount, cash discount, and cash paid immediately. Being goods purchased. Then see next is purchased goods from Dinesh, 50,000, 10% trade discount, 5% cash discount, and half of the amount paid to him immediately. So for that entry is what? Purchases account data, to cash account, to discount account, to, who is the person name? Dinesh, to Dinesh account. Now see the calculation. First trade discount 50,000. 50,000 trade discount percentage 10%. 10% means what? 5,000. This 5,000 is trade discount. After deducting trade discount is how much is balancing? 45,000. Next, calculate cash discount. How much is a percentage of cash discount? Is 5%. That is 5 by 100. How much? 45,000 into 5 divided by 100. Cash discount is 2,250 is a cash discount. Actually purchases value is how much? 45,000. Okay, 45,000 after deduct cash discount is 2,250. Remaining amount is how much? 45,000 minus 2,250 is after deducting amount is 42,750 is the remaining asset. So under this, half of the amount is paid in cash immediately. Half of the amount is how much? 42,750 divided by 2 is 21,375 is paid immediately, and remaining half of the amount is paid in future, that is 21,375. Okay, so narration is: being goods purchaser, half of the amount paid immediately. Okay, this is a problem. Okay, anyone have interested, do the remaining problem.